Dear students, let's start our class. Today, we are going to discuss a new chapter from your economics. The name of the chapter is Money and Credit. Money as a medium of actions. The use of money spans a very large part of our everyday life. Look around you and you would easily be able to identify several transactions involving money in any single day. In many of these transactions, goods are being bought and sold with the use of money. In some of these transactions, services are being exchanged with money. For some, there might not be any actual transfer of money taking place now, but a promise to pay money later. Dear students, have you ever wondered why transactions are made in money? The reason is simple. If persons holding money can easily exchange it for any commodity or service that he or she might want. Thus, everyone prefers to receive payments in money and then exchange the money for things they want. Take the case of a shoe manufacturer. He wants to sell shoes in the market and buy weight. The shoe manufacturer will first exchange shoes and he has produce for money and then exchange the money for weight. Imagine how much more difficult it would be if the shoe manufacturer had to directly exchange shoes for weight without the use of money. He would have to look for a wheat-growing farmer who not only wants to sell wheat but also wants to buy the shoes in exchange. That is, both parties have to agree to sell and buy each other commodities. This is known as double coincidence of funds. What a person desires to sell is exactly what the other wishes to buy. In a barter system, where goods are directly exchanged without the use of money, double coincidence of want is an essential feature. Money. Money is a means by which we can get something in exchange. Initially, coins came into use. The coins were initially made of precious metals like gold and silver. When the precious metals became too precious, ordinary metals were being used for making coins. Paper money or currency notes gradually took place of coins, although coins of smaller denominations are still in use. The currency notes and coins are used by the government of an authorized body. In India, the RBI issues currency notes. On the Indian currency notes, you can find a statement which promises to pay the bearer. On the Indian currency note, you can find a statement which promises to pay the bearer the amount which is mentioned on the currency note. What are the advantages of money? It removes the coincidence of funds, takes less storage space and is easier to carry. Liquidity of currency is easier. Nowadays, many instruments are available through which it is not necessary to physically carry the currency. Modern forms of money include currency, paper notes and coins. Now question arises, why is modern currency accepted as a medium of exchange without any use of its own? Modern currency is accepted as a medium of exchange without any use of its own because modern currency is authorized by the government of a country. In India, the Reserve Bank of India issues all currency notes on behalf of central government. No other individual or organization is allowed to issue currencies. The law legalizes the use of rupee as a medium of payment that cannot be refused in settling transactions in India. No individual in India can legally refuse a payment made in rupees. Other forms of money. Deposits with banks. Most of the people need only some currency for their daily needs. Rest of the amount is usually kept as deposit in banks. Money which is kept in a bank is safe and it even earns an interest. One can withdraw money from his account as and when required. Since deposit in a bank account can be withdrawn on demand, these deposits are called demand deposits. One can use a check instead of cash to settle payments. Moreover, one can also buy a demand draft from a bank to make payments. Dear students, let's recap. Barter system. The barter system was used before the advent of money. People used to exchange one thing for another in this system. Money is a means by which we can get something in exchange. Initially, coins came into use. Modern forms of money include currency, paper notes, and coins. Why is modern currency accepted as a medium of exchange without any use of its own? At last, we have discussed deposits with bank. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.